Is your Freightliner Coronado's steering wheel feeling a bit tired and worn out? This 18-inch black leather traveler steering wheel kit from Technical Precision might just be the upgrade you've been looking for. It's designed specifically for the 2011 Coronado 132, and the fitment is incredibly precise, which is exactly what you want when dealing with vehicle-specific parts. The black leather feels premium to the touch, offering a much more comfortable and grippy experience than a standard wheel, especially on those long hauls. What really sets this kit apart is the included black powder-coated aluminum 5-hole hub adapter. It's not just about the wheel itself. The adapter is crucial for a seamless installation. Technical Precision has clearly put thought into making this a complete package. The powder coating on the hub looks durable and should hold up well against the elements and constant use. Installing it, while requiring some mechanical know-how, is straightforward thanks to the vehicle-specific design. You can feel the quality difference the moment you grip this wheel. It transforms the driving experience, making the truck feel more responsive and, frankly, a lot more luxurious. For any owner of a 2011 Freightliner Coronado 132 looking to enhance both comfort and aesthetics, this steering wheel kit is a seriously compelling option. It's a solid investment for a more enjoyable drive.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.